Hi, Neil from Tatonka here. We're just going to have a quick fire session on cleaning packs. Okay, number one thing is loosen up all the straps and also check that there's nothing left inside it. So hopefully you've had a successful raw, you've brought back a shitload of meat, and the key thing for this pack cleaning is we want to decontaminate it. You're never going to get all the blood off it properly, and that's a badge of honor anyway, you know, you want to look like you've been out there. But the key thing is to get all the bacteria and bugs out of it. The key thing here is the harness will stink of you, okay, and you need to clean it thoroughly. So we're going to use a product called Solar Proof by Nikwax. If you're really keen, take the yoke off and do it separately. So once you've got that, use your handy brush, scrubbing it in so it's going to really deodorize and disinfect foams. Once you've done that thoroughly, do the other side. Shake off the excess water and then hang it up somewhere in the shade. Don't get in the habit of hanging packs up in full sun. You simply degrade the fabrics quicker and your pack won't last as long.